Hong Kong registered 6,260 new COVID infections today, the first time that the number has dropped below the 7,000 mark since August 24th this year. The COVID-19 pandemic, meanwhile, has claimed 10 more lives in the city. Christy Khan has more.
The city has seen a dip in daily COVID caseloads over the week. Today, some 6,000 new locally transmitted cases were reported. Health officials said if the local epidemic situation continues to stabilize, there will be room for further relaxation of social distancing measures.
The government will review a series of factors to see whether social distancing measures at restaurants would be relaxed. It would depend on the trend of the epidemic, whether it is a stabilizing trend. If the number of cases climb down, there will be less pressure on the healthcare system and there will be room for further relaxation.
Asked if the authorities are worried that more inbound travelers will spread the virus in the community, the Center for Health Protection in response said they expect some travelers to test positive for the virus after leaving the quarantine hotels under the current 3+4 arrangements.
We have a very stringent testing regime for inbound travelers. If they are carriers of the virus, they will be identified promptly and be required to undergo either home quarantine or hotel quarantine. Some would be tested positive on the 5th day. So these people would be subject to an amber code, and they would not be allowed to enter high-risk premises like restaurants. And also we would check whether they have complied with the compulsory quarantine notice on testing.
More than 1,800 COVID cases were reported across 866 schools today. 20 schools are required to suspend certain classes for a week. Defending Assemblies of God Kindergarten, however, has to suspend all classes after the school reported 29 coronavirus infections. 4 more residential care homes reported new COVID cases. 58 residents were sent to quarantine. Christy Khan, TVB News.